Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hourglass protocol token. Ticker symbol is HGP. Now this token is getting a brand new big central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Hourglass protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, ticker symbol HGP, is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big exchange called Kucoin. Now, this is their Twitter. I'm going to put up right on the screen here, at Hourglass ERC. You can obviously tell this is an ERC token. It says, time flows, liquidity grows, empowering blockchain with ERC404A based Hourglass protocol. Has a link to their OpenSea collection right there, where you can go check out a bunch of Hourglass protocol NFTs. Has a link to their webpage right there, hourglassprotocol.com. It says revolutionizing token standard and unlocking liquidity. 40 tweets so far, blue verified checkmark, 26,400 Twitter followers. So we're going to go over the Kucoin info here in a second. But this token is an Ethereum token, and so Kucoin is not available in everybody's area in the world. So there's other ways to get the token. Now in their pinned tweet, it says the contract address of Hourglass protocol assets deployed on the ETH chain are now available. So they have the HGP token address for Etherscan on there. Then they have their Hourglass NFT ERC address on there as well on Etherscan. So if you look up the Hourglass protocol token on Etherscan, the HGP token, you'll see they already have 1,324 holders. So they're off to a great start already. And they have, it's a very low supply here, 589 HGP tokens. 18 decimal places on this token here. And their Etherscan here, computer's being slow here for a second. We'll get back to that in a second. So far they have 4,944 transfers. So people right now are getting this token via Uniswap. So you can see all sorts of Uniswap transactions on their Etherscan 10 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago. So if Kucoin's not available in your area, or you just don't care about Kucoin, you want to get it in a decentralized way, you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you use with ETH. Fund that wallet with ETH, go into the dApps and find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that is in their pinned tweet there for the token, make sure it's obviously the token, you could trade your ETH for the Hourglass token using that contract address. Now, you may have to set slippage, so just be aware of that. Now, it says, the first on-chain Hourglass protocol deployed on Ethereum mixed ERC404A, ERC20, and ERC721 implementation with native liquidity. And on their webpage, you can launch their app for minting. So right on the page, launch app, it'll take you over to hourglassprotocol.com/mint. And you're going to be able to use that dApp there. So they have a update here. It says, join us as we embark on a new chapter. HGP is officially listed on Kucoin. So it looks like it's available now. I thought it was coming up in the future, but they're saying on their webpage 5 hours ago, it is available now. So this milestone underscores our dedication to broadening accessibility and liquidity for our community. So if, just 6 hours ago it says witness 1 hour countdown. So 5 hours ago, as of recording this video, of course, they got listed on Kucoin. So it's available on Kucoin now. So if Kucoin is available in your area, you could download it from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search HGP, and then simply just buy the token. So Uniswap, Kucoin, a couple different ways to get this token here. So the services that they provide, Hourglass Protocol brings a groundbreaking approach to token standards by implementing it directly onto the blockchain. It provides a comprehensive range of functionalities that cater to the need of developers and individual users. So you can launch assets, you can wrap and unwrap, and there is trading. So from ERC404 and ERC721 to ERC20, Hourglass Protocol supports the launch of a ERC404A new assets while being compatible with the old assets protocol. This means that existing ERC20 and 721 assets can participate also in Hourglass Protocol. Users can add LP on their own, map through Hourglass Protocol, and trade on Uniswap. So Hourglass Protocol users define a specific period of time during which certain actions or transactions related to the Hourglass assets are restricted. This period can be beneficial in scenarios where users want to prevent excessive volatility or manipulation of the assets. It provides a mechanism for ensuring stability and promoting a more controlled trading environment. Time flows, liquidity grows, empowering a blockchain with Hourglass Protocol. At the bottom of their page, there is a section to learn more, and that's going to take you over to a light paper that is on their Medium. So they have a Medium where they post all sorts of different articles. You can find 2 links, actually, at the bottom of their webpage to that if you want to go check out more info. They also have a contact email at the bottom of their webpage, and they have their Twitter, which you could check out as well. So all sorts of info on this project. Brand new project. Just got all these listings. Uniswap. They got their minting dApp. They got Kucoin listing. And I'm sure there's going to be more updates coming in the future. So go check this all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.